In the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, water is life, sacred, eternal, irreplaceable. Today, seawater reverse osmosis accounts for 93% of Saudi Arabia's water supply. Yet reserves amount to just 5 days. In a land where every drop is a blessing, securing water is a mission greater than gold. Securing a future with reliable, safe water is no longer an option. It is the kingdom's top priority, more vital even than oil. This urgency fuels the largest desalination market in the world, led by Saudi Water Authority. MediSun, with its partners at MOJ, has formalized its commitment to the kingdom through an executed MOU with SWRO to script a story worthy of the desert winds. Our twofold strategy for the kingdom begins with technology accreditation and pilot deployment. Before we can serve, we must first earn that right. Accreditation by SWRO is our first pilgrimage. MediSun will deliver a full system set for SWRO evaluation by Q3, following the first production run. Deployment follows accreditation. We focus on two critical problems for Saudi Arabia: reducing specific energy consumption for desalination and turn brine from waste into streams of prosperity. Brine, long considered a waste, is abundant in the kingdom, yet no one has fully tapped into its hidden value. Through Weegen Green, we will reveal the wealth hidden in salt. We begin small, 10,000 to 25,000 ton plants, proving ourselves as seeds prove spring. We target 3 to 4 deployments over the next 2 years, building confidence, capacity, and momentum toward mainstream adoption. Secondly is the awakening of brackish water. Brackish water is a hidden wellspring beneath the sands. By leveraging Waterhouse technology, we can rapidly scale brackish water reverse osmosis facilities from 5,000 tons to 50,000 tons, riding the tides of efficiency. Early estimates suggest that brackish water could account for 10 to 15% of the kingdom's future supply, roughly 4 to 5 million tons per day. Through our partnership with MOJ and GreenTech, we aim to deploy 20 Waterhouse units, manufacture Waterhouse and SWRO units locally, build Saudi Arabia's first integrated manufacturing lines for desalination technologies, and weave a vision made in Saudi for Saudi. In Islam, water is sacred. Every plant we raise, every brine we heal, echoes a divine duty. It is not just strategy, it is faith, duty, and destiny. We are not merely building plants, we are creating brine pools, self-contained ecosystems to extract minerals, generate value, and sustain the kingdom's future. Our strategy is simple but powerful. Solve SEC and brine management for SWRO, scale BWRO for national water security, manufacture technology in Saudi Arabia, align innovation with faith, and move from pilot deployments to mass adoption. We don't just believe in the science of water, we believe in science, in spirit, and in salt. We believe in the sacred duty to preserve it. Watch us build it, container by container, brine pool by brine pool, verse by verse, dream by dream. Inshallah, this will be our contribution to the kingdom's future.